fish you should never eat. You all know that fish is healthy food. But there is another fact about fish, that some kind of fish may be harmful to you. Some fish are the power food and some are harmful, which can cause inflammation and toxic nightmare for your body. Everything depends on the fish you choose. You have to eat rarely or avoid certain species of fish. Here are the kinds of fish you should not eat. Tilefish. Tilefish has to be avoided entirely. It has some of the highest level of mercury contamination, which increases the risk of food poisoning. The Environmental Protection Agency recommends a maximum of 1 serving per month for adults. Bluefin and blackfin tuna. Different types of tuna like yellowfin tuna, albacore, bigea, and light tuna contains moderate to high level of mercury. The blackfin and bluefin tuna has elevated levels of mercury and poor in eco-friendliness. King mackerel. King mackerel has to be avoided completely because it has higher amount of mercury. It is not cleared from but accumulated in the human body, causing various diseases. Choose Atlantic mackerel and eat it as much as you like. Tilapia. Tilapia fish has higher concentration of harmful fats. This fish is low in omega-3 and high in omega-6 fatty acids, dangerous, which increases the cholesterol levels and make your body more sensitive to allergies. Chilean sea bass. Chilean sea bass or Patagonia toothfish contains high concentration of mercury and is problematic. This fish is also overfished, so avoid Chilean sea bass fish. Eel. Eel has high fats and it also absorbs and stores the contaminants like endocrine disruptors, industrial and farm waste in water. American species have these high intoxication and European species have high mercury. Orange roughy. Orange roughy has a lifespan of about 150 years but reaches maturity after 20 years. So it has to be avoided because of overfishing and damaging trawling. It has also high mercury. Shark. Shark has to be avoided as it contains high level of mercury which is built through bioaccumulation. Shark are also overfished. You should avoid both as fish and as supplements. Swordfish. Swordfish contains an elevated level of mercury. Swordfish has to be avoided completely by women and children, and men should take only once in a month. Pangasius. Most of the pangasius were imported from Vietnam, from the Mekong River that is considered one of the most contaminated water bodies in the world. Pangasius fillet also contains an elevated level of nitrofurozone and phytophosphates, which are carcinogens. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share and like.